This is Skoda Scout, Octavia Scout, whatever you want to call it, all-wheel drive. This is a police spec version, quite high mileage. It's had to have the new DPF filter, and the reason why I'm bringing this up is there's one letter or one number different from a normal Octavia, so be very careful. This had to be ordered from Germany, costs a lot of money, and it's one of those mistakes that if you don't get the number right, it's a very expensive mistake to make, because it will not work with a standard Skoda, because it's all-wheel drive. Don't know why, that's just how it is. This one's had a new turbo as well. Again, very expensive, but when it's running, runs like a peach. There you go. So just bear in mind that you've got to get the particular DPF for your vehicle and make sure the numbers and letters are exact. Don't get one that's near, because it will not work. So this is the police spec, UK police spec, with the cages in the back and the aircon and everything. Lovely when it's running nicely. Very expensive to run when it's not. But should last a while longer now. But yeah, that was a cautionary tale when the garage almost ordered the wrong one, and then they realised that there was, I can't remember if it was a letter different or a number different, purely and simply because it's the all-wheel drive. So let that be a cautionary tale. Thanks for watching. Catch you all again later.